Hello everyone, welcome to our channel TechZ, and today we will learn something new about SSH in a Linux machine. So here we are running CentOS 9 virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox, and let's learn something new about SSH. Today's topic will be you are trying to do a SSH session from your local machine or any other machine to this Linux VM. Using root user, you are unable to do that. But why? But if you use the another user, you will find that you can do it. So how and why? So let's understand it. So we have created two SSH session to this virtual machine. This is for the root user and this is for the another user. Now let's first of all let's try to log into the another user, that is the alias that I have created manually. Okay. Here you can see that it's logged in. Pretty much you can do anything here. Everything is accessible. IPA to check the IP addresses, each and everything, you will get it. Now, let's do another session to the root user. What do you think? The session will work, but it will not. Eventually, it will get failed. It will tell you to enter the password. Let's check what is the password. I forward. Most likely it's 1234 that I have set. Okay, this is the password 1234. Okay, connection failed. Cool. Now, what do you think if I want to do the SSH from here? SSH root at the rate. Okay, let's copy the IP. It was there itself. Yes, 1234. Nope, 1234. By the way, the password is correct. So it's not letting me to log in here. Now I do have the same password. I did the login here. Okay. So here you can see the root user is here. Now, the main thing. Why is the SSH not happening? So for that, let me show you a file for SSH. Okay, so cd slash etc slash ssh slash. Here you will see some files. These are some files that are present under SSH. Remember one thing, everything in Linux is a file. Now, we use SSHD to do it. Now let's do a less and check what is here exactly in this file. Okay, there's no permission. Cat. Okay. Uh, sudo, I don't think so it will work. Okay, 1234. Alias is not in the sudoers file. We'll talk about sudoer files in later video. So for now we can't do it, right? Let's try to do sudo su 1234. Nope, not in the sudoers files. It will not let you to log into the root. So what we can do is we will go back to our virtual machine that we created, manually log in using the root user. Now let's go to the same, let me just increase it. Let's go to the same folder that we were there in previously. Cat. Okay, let's go cd etc ssh. Now do ls. Now you'll find this file here, right? Now if we do less sshd underscore config. Okay. Now you can see here's a lot of stuff that are there about the host and yeah, everything, pretty much everything about the SSH session that you would require. Okay, now let me show you a file of SSH. Less SSH config, pretty much the same, right? Now, there's something we need to change here. To allow the root login using SSH, by default, it's disabled. Now, how can we do that? Now, if we do a vi, this is the editor, vi sshd underscore config dot d. Okay, no, not the config. Oh, my bad. Colon q vi sshd underscore config. Okay, yeah. Now you get all the things listed here, right? Now, these are the ports that are there. You can change the port, etc. You can do a lot of stuffs here. Now, main concern is the root user is not able to log in using SSH. Now, if you come down to this authentication part, you can see there's a lot of subfields here. And if you look carefully, there's a field, permit root login, and it has been given yes. But why are we not able to log in? Because the line is commented out. So the hashtag that you can see here, it means that this line will not get executed when the script runs. Right. So first of all, we'll press I to go into insert mode. We will remove it. Now, if you can see, permit root login is yes. Now, how to save it? You will press escape, colon, WQ, enter. Okay, now let's do a restart of this SSHD service. So for restarting a service, what do? We use systemctl. Systemctl restart SSHD, enter. Okay, done. We can check the status as well. Systemctl status SSHD. Now if you can see, it's active and running since this time. Okay, so now do you think we will be able to do it? Do the SSH, I mean. Let's just quit it. Let's go to vault. Let's connect using the root. Voila. Now you're here. You can log in. Now if we do cat etc sshd underscore config, you can see this is the file that we were previously looking at. And here you can see permit root login is enabled. That's why we are now able to log in to the root user. Now if you want to do it from here as well. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are in the root. So this is how you can enable or disable root user SSH login. Cool. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you do like it and learn something new, just press a thumbs up. It really helps. And I will bring you some more tips and tricks of Linux. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.